Hi, how are you guys? I hope you're fine. On this occasion, I will share information about an AI website for generating videos that can be accessed by anyone. This free website can be used by anyone at any time without having to log in first, and there are no restrictions tokens for generating. Next, let's visit the website hailuai.com. After the website opens, we can change the language to English by right-clicking on the mouse, then selecting Translate to English. The menu display will change to English. There are two green menu boxes. Select the menu box on the right to generate video. The next step is that you can fill in the description section with the appropriate prompt that you want. You can write directly the style of the video you will make. For example, dramatic, realistic, anime style, or 3D animation style.
An orange cat playing skateboarding in the middle of the city crowd.
Then click the Generate Video menu. The generated video results will appear in the Mine section. You can download it directly. Since the generated video is only about 6 seconds long, you can use the same prompt to create other videos, because the generated results will display a different background and appearance. Then, mix all the videos using a video editing application like Filmora or CapCut. Don't forget, add sound or music. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.